In honor of National Chocolate Cupcake Day on October 18th, I decided to whip up a batch of Eggless Chocolate Cupcakes. So first things first, add all your dry ingredients into a large bowl. So that would be flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and I also added some cinnamon, but that's optional, I just think it brings out the flavor, as well as the sugar, which I think technically is considered a wet ingredient, but I'm adding it in with the dry. Then once that's all mixed together, it's time to add the wet ingredients, starting with some vinegar, which will react with the baking soda, then some vanilla extract, and some neutral vegetable oil, and finally 1 cup of lukewarm water. Then once that's all mixed together, it'll be super smooth and fudgy looking. And I used a ladle to transfer it to my cupcake tin with some liners in there. I've also seen people use a pitcher to pour their cupcake batter, so whatever you want to use, just make sure that it's divided evenly between 12 muffin cups. Now it's into a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes. And when they're done, they need to cool completely before you can frost them. So speaking of frosting, let's make a quick buttercream. So first of all, you'll need some softened butter and make sure that your whisk is attached to your beater. Then once it's on there correctly, just whip the butter until it's super fluffy. And now it's time to add some powdered sugar. Now I have about 2.5 cups here. I'm not adding all of it right away because it's just gonna be a total mess, as well as about half of my cocoa powder in now. And don't get discouraged when you're first mixing this. It's gonna look like there's no way that it's gonna come together, but eventually it will, I promise. And then you can add the rest of the powdered sugar and the cocoa powder, as well as about 1/4 cup of milk. I'm actually using oat milk here because that's just what I had, but you can use any milk or even heavy cream, as well as some vanilla extract. I'm sorry about the little glitch there. Camera moved a little bit. Then just whip this again until it's super smooth. And I transferred mine to a piping bag to pipe these really pretty swirls. It was actually my first time piping anything onto cupcakes, and I think it turned out really, really well. I'm pretty chuffed. Then just added some colorful sprinkles on top to make it pop, and these were so delicious. Let me know if you try these, and click on one of these other great recipes while you're here.